In the bright and cheerful town of Brightville, the summers were always sunny, the flowers always blooming, and the children always looking for fun. Two best friends, Angie and Matthias, loved spending their afternoons coming up with creative ideas. Angie adored mixing ingredients and trying out new recipes, while Matthias loved solving mysteries and going on adventures. One particularly warm afternoon, Angie had an idea. Matthias, let's open a lemonade stand tomorrow. Everyone in Brightville will come and we'll earn some pocket money. That's brilliant, Matthias agreed. But wait, how do we make our lemonade the best in town? It has to be special. They squeezed a few lemons, added water and sugar, and took a sip. It's good, Angie said, wrinkling her nose, but not amazing. Matthias tapped his chin. Then we must go on a quest to discover the secret to making the best lemonade. And so their fun adventure began. Their first stop was Grandma Lily's garden. Everyone in Brightville knew Grandma Lily grew the juiciest lemons. Grandma Lily, Angie called, we need your help. What's the secret to making the best lemonade? Grandma Lily chuckled softly. The secret begins with the lemon itself. A lemon picked with care, ripe, golden, and fresh from the tree, makes all the difference. She handed Angie a plump lemon, warm from the sun. Angie held it close, breathing in its fresh, tangy scent. Thank you, Grandma. This is going to make our lemonade shine. Next, they walked to the edge of the meadow, where Mr. Jamal, the town's beekeeper, tended his buzzing hives. Mr. Jamal, Matthias called out, do you know the secret to the best lemonade? Mr. Jamal smiled as he lifted a golden jar of honey. Sugar is sweet, but honey is nature's gift. It's smoother, healthier, and made with care by my bees. Try it in your lemonade and you'll taste the difference. The children carefully accepted the jar, marveling at how the honey sparkled in the sunlight. Wow, Matthias whispered. This is like liquid gold. Their journey continued to the riverbank, where cool water rushed over smooth stones. Children played along the banks, skipping rocks and laughing. There, Mrs. Rosa, the town's teacher, was teaching a group of students about clean water. Mrs. Rosa, Angie asked eagerly, we've got fresh lemons and golden honey, but we need one more secret. Do you know what it is? Mrs. Rosa bent down and filled a cup with sparkling water from the river. Even the sweetest lemon and honey need pure water to bring out their true taste. Use the freshest water you can find. It will make your lemonade shine. The children nodded, taking a small bottle of fresh water. Back at Angie's kitchen, they laid out their treasures. Grandma Lily's lemon, Mr. Jamal's honey, and Mrs. Rosa's fresh water. They squeezed, stirred, and mixed. The smell was heavenly, and when they tasted it, both their eyes widened. This is amazing, Angie exclaimed. It's the best yet. Matthias agreed. But after a moment, Matthias frowned. Something's still missing. Just then, Angie's little brother, Oliver, skipped into the room. Can I try? He asked hopefully. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.